Welcome back! In this lesson, you will learn 20 beautiful vocabulary words to describe cats. Listen carefully, repeat each word, and enjoy the examples. Word number 1. Adorable. Adorable means very cute and easy to love. Example, the kitten looks adorable when it sleeps. Word number 2. Endearing. Endearing means making people feel affection. Example, the cat's shy behavior is very endearing. Word number 3. Charming. Charming means pleasant and attractive in a special way. Example, that little cat is charming with its soft meow. Word number 4. Lovable. Lovable means easy to love. Example, orange cats are often very lovable. Word number 5. Enchanting. Enchanting means very attractive in a magical way. Example, the cat's green eyes are enchanting. Word number 6. Graceful. Graceful means moving in a smooth and elegant way. Example, the cat is graceful when it jumps onto the wall. Word number 7. Elegant. Elegant means stylish and beautiful in appearance or movement. Example, the black cat looked elegant in the sunlight. Word number 8. Sleek. Sleek means smooth and shiny. Example, Siamese cats often have sleek bodies. Word number 9. Fluffy. Fluffy means soft and full of fur. Example, the fluffy kitten sat on the sofa. Word number 10. Affectionate. Affectionate means showing love and care. Example, my cat is very affectionate and sleeps beside me. Word number 11. Playful. Playful means liking to play and have fun. Example, the kitten is playful and runs after a ball. Word number 12. Mischievous. Mischievous means slightly naughty in a funny way. Example, my cat is mischievous and steals my socks. Word number 13. Curious. Curious means wanting to know or discover things. Example, cats are curious and like to explore boxes. Word number 14. Gentle. Gentle means calm, soft, and kind. Example, that old cat is gentle with children. Word number 15. Dainty. Dainty means small, delicate, and pretty. Example, the cat has dainty little paws. Word number 16. Captivating. Captivating means very interesting or attractive. Example, the cat's face was so captivating that everyone looked at it. Word number 17. Appealing. Appealing means attractive and pleasant. Example, the kitten's round eyes make it very appealing. Word number 18. Delightful. Delightful means giving great pleasure. Example, it was delightful to watch the kitten play. Word number 19. Quaint. Quaint means charming in an old-fashioned or unusual way. Example, the cat's quiet little corner looked quaint and cozy. Word number 20. Winsome. Winsome means sweet and attractive in a natural way. Example, the kitten had a winsome expression. Great job! Now let's repeat the words together. Adorable, endearing, charming, lovable, enchanting, graceful, elegant, sleek, fluffy, affectionate, playful, mischievous, curious, gentle, dainty, captivating, appealing, delightful, quaint, winsome. Which word is your favorite? Write it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.